Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And today in this video, I will discuss about general aptitude solution of GATE 2021. Okay, GATE 2021 paper, and that is about like humanities and social science. Okay, so guys, those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I'll upload any videos regarding Get Humanities and Social Science. So guys, please watch this video till the end because I will explain you why one option, any option, why it is the answer. Okay, so this is the question one. First, I will tell you some facts about question number one. Okay, so this is a circle. So and the triangle is a right angle. Okay, so one angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. Okay, so it's very easy. And OM, OM and ON both are equal length because these two side OM and ON are the radius of the circle. Okay, so OM equal to ON. Okay, and one more interesting thing, and this is the radius. So we know the formula, area formula of a triangle. What is that? The area of a triangle is the equal to half into base into height. So this is base, and this is the height. But length of this base and height is equal. So the area of this triangle will be like area of this triangle will be like half into base into height. Okay, and you know the formula of the uh, area formula of a circle, that is pi. One second guys. That is pi r square. It's simple. So you can now you can solve this problem because your look, the area of a right triangle is 50. So you can put the value 50, and this half into base means r, base means r into base height into height equal to r. So you can multiply this and this. Okay, so you can multiply this and this, so it will be like 100, it will be like 100, and it will be like r square, it will be like r square. So what is the value of r? So r is the root over 100. Root over 100. It's very simple. And the marks, I think it was the 1 marks question. Okay, it was the 1 marks question. Okay, it was the 1 mark question. Okay, it was the 1 marks question. So r, the value of r is 10. The value of r is 10. So you can put the value of r, that is radius, you can put here. So you can write the pi and 10 and its square. 10 its square. It means it means 100 pi. So 100 pi is the area of a circle. So the area of that circle is 100 pi, and so the answer is this. Okay, so the answer is C, and you will get 1 marks. It was a very easy question. So answer is option C. So answer is option C. So it was very easy question. So the difficulty level of this question was very easy. 1 second, guys. So difficulty level was easy. So you can see the solution. Okay, you can see the solution. So area, actually I have solved this formula with paper and pencil. Okay, so area half into base into height. So we can put the value of area of this right angle, that is 50. That is 50. We can put it like, we can put it here. So half into base into height, so we can put it here. So it will be like r square. So it will be like 100, because we can multiply it 50 into 2. So from this side to this side, so it will be like 100. So r square equal to 100. So r equal to root over 100. So r will be 10 actually. Okay, so it will be like r equal to plus minus 10, but r is the length. R is the length. R is the length. So minus sign will not be accepted, because length will not be negative. The value of length always, length means like any type of distance, like 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So r will be 10. So now we can put the value. Already I have put this information here, om equal to on equal to r, because these two side of this triangle is the radius of a circle. So area of a circle formula pi r square. So we can put this r value. Okay, and it will be like 100 pi, and the unit will be square centimeter. So answer will be C. Already I have mentioned. So answer will be C. Look. So now we can proceed for next question. Okay. Next question. What is the next question? So already I I had told you guys many times, you will get at least one question from uh, statistics. Okay, so here is the question was moderate level. This question was moderate level. It is easy, it is easy, but the level of difficulty is moderate level. You have to read this question very carefully. Actually there are so many data. Okay, there are so many data. There are 6 company, C1 to C6. there are 6 company, okay, and their executive numbers, a percentage, okay, like C1 company has 20% executive out of this, okay, out of this 10,000. You have to read it carefully. So uh, you can, I think you all actually have read this question. So now I am giving you some basic idea. So uh, each company have some, one second guys. Okay, the distribution of employees at the rank executives across different companies C1 to C6 and is presented in the chart given above. The ratio of the executives, some some executives have like management degree, and some those are like without management degree. So the total number of executives across all companies 10,000, okay, 10,000. But just you have to calculate these two company, okay, okay, you have to calculate C2, the ratio of uh, 1 is to 4. What is 1? The executives with management degree, and this side, the value of this side. So 4 means actually um, it describes like executives, number of executives uh, without management degrees, okay. But you have to calculate only the total number of executives, total number of executive with management degree, okay. That means number of management degree holders, okay, among the executives in these two company, okay. So just you have to calculate this these two companies executives, those like who have management degrees. You have you have not to calculate uh, this ratio, okay. So how you can calculate it? It's very easy. You have to calculate first the number of executives of these two companies. So C2, C2 means the number of executives in this company. So it will be like C2 actually contain 5% of this. So 5% mean 5 by 100. So 5 by 100 into 10,000. So 10,000. You can eliminate this 2. So total number will be like 500. So out of this 500, so out of this 500, you have to calculate number of executives with number of executives with management degree. So that is like 1 by 1 plus 4 into 500. 500. So you can calculate it easily. So it is like 1 by 5. It is 1 by 5. So into 500. So you can calculate it like it will be like 100. 100. So in this company, C2 company, like they have 100 management degree holders executive, and out of this 100 executives with management holder, out of this 500. So 400 will be like without management degree. So thus you can calculate the number of m- management degree holders of company C5. First of all, you have to calculate the number of total executives of this company C5, and that is 20%. So you have to calculate first 20%. So 20% means, so this is 10,000. So this is 10,000. So you can calculate it, look like this. So it will be like 20 into 100. It means that 2000. Okay, so you have to calculate number of executives with management degree holders out of this two uh, 2000. So what is the ratio of management degree holder? Look, in company 5, so management degree holders is very high, like 9 is to 1. It means that in this company, management degree holder executives number are very high. Okay, and without management degree holders executives very less. That is in ratio you can find, you can see it just 9 is to 1. It means, so you can calculate like 9 by a 9 plus 1 into 20,000. You can calculate it very easily. So it will be like 9 by 10, and it will be like, 9 by 10 into 20,000. Sorry, it will be like 2,000. So you can eliminate this. So it will be like 9 into 2, 18. Okay, so it will be like management degree holder candidates executives in C5 company. So C5 company, okay, actually they have 1800 management degree holders executives. So total number of degree holder executives like 1800 plus 100, 1800 plus 100. Okay, look, what was the question? Total number of executives. You can read it very easily. Total number of executives of management degree holders. Total number of management degree holders among the executives in C5 and C2 together is like, okay, it will be like 900. So what is the answer? So B is the answer. So I can show you the solution of this question. Look, it's very easy. So I want to show you the solution. Look, the difficulty level of this question was moderate. So it was 2 marks question, I think. So it's like one type of like tricky question. It was a tricky question. So number of executives total of five, like in C2 company it was 5%, and C5 company like 20%. So in C2 company what was the ratio? 1 is to 4. e like executives, E actually denotes that executives. E with M degree management degree holders number, it will like very less 1. So executive without management it is high in C5 C2 company, and in C5 the ratio value is very high for management degree holders and executives in C5 company, that is 9 is to 1. Total number exit at like 10,000. So for C2 company, E with like E means executives with management degree holders, like 1 by 1 plus 4, that means 1 by 5. So the executives with management degree, like 1 by 5 into 500, it will be like 100. So like that we need, so we need this value, okay, because the question was related to this. But this we can calculate this value also without management degree holders, that will be like 400. We can subtract from 500, from 500 uh, minus 100, so we can get the value like 400. So similarly we can calculate for C5 company, it will be like total number of executive in C5 company, that is like 2000. So management degree holder candidates 1 by 9 plus 1, sorry, 9 by 9 plus 1 into 2000. So 9 by 10 into 2000. So it will be look like this. So 1800, that value we need. And we can, like we can calculate in similar way the candidates of without management degree holders. So that value we do not need. Actually the question was about total executives of C2 and C5 company, so that is like 1900. So the value, the answer will be like B. So this is all about today. And uh, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends, and it will be like very helpful for you guys. And I am making this video just for humanities and social science background candidate. So thank you, all the best, and tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.